Hello again. The forensics are in. Unfortunately, Clarence the carrot is no more. I ate her. I cooked her and I ate her. Unfortunately, I found 5 criminals hiding in the fridge. Now they've been taken to the police station for a line-up and processing. Look at this lot. They claim they're just extras to go in your sandwich. But I have forensic evidence that says otherwise. First up, we have St. Henry. He claims to be grown. In actual fact, 22.8 grams of sugar per 100. It's more like a crime scene in a bottle. Next up, we have this little sweetie. He claims to be the original, but with 23.1 grams of sugar per 100, he's more like a sweet talker in nothing more than a fancy bottle. Next up, we have the Major. Now, he might look a very small bottle, and I've got to admit, it does have a kick. But 8.4 grams of sugar per 100, that will give a spike in your blood pressure worse than a police baton attack. Next up, we have Lumpy Larry. Now, you think it's pickles, but on closer inspection, 31 grams of sugar per 100. In other words, it's swimming in sugar. And finally, we have the worst of the lot, the Duchess. Now this has 23 grams of fat and 17 grams of sugar. In actual fact, she's a double agent. My prescription for today is, if you swap these things for, let's say, tomato puree, dry mustard powder, and even pickled onions, your heart will thank you, and so will your wallet. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in a few days' time. Thank you.